welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be opening cards again. And the first one we're going to be opening is Shark Bait. What I like about this card is like, the jaw moves up and down because there's a little crank. And, like, when it moves, it bites. And the wheels are big, and I like the design outside. The next one we're going to be opening is Bubble Mechanic. I think that's what it's called. Oh. What I like about this card is like it can actually blow bubbles, and like it's see-through, and it says the name of the card on the side. And the last one we're going to be opening is Buns of Steel. There we go. What I like about this one is that it has a burger and fries on top of it, and it has the energy thing and a list of what you can get and a burger picture. And I think these come off. They don't. But would have been cool, and it looks like it could do wheelies or something like that. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, turn on the post notifications, and subscribe. Bye!